the fastest way you can grow your LinkedIn account is to write comments. So, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can actually build your LinkedIn account by writing comments on others' pages. So, first of all, identify what are the skills you want to learn. For example, the thing in the market is AI. So, if you want to learn AI, then follow all the AI pages. For example, AI for business, AI for leaders. So, these are the type of pages you'll follow. And if you're going for the marketing, then you can follow the respective accounts for marketing as well. So when you follow 50 to 60 accounts of this same niche, then you have a built-in setup so that you have the same kind of content coming in your feeds. You are not distracted by any chance. So LinkedIn is very straightforward platform. Whatever the professional things you get in the front, you will get to see that. So you need to able to classify what you want to comment on by following all the pages in the niche. Then you got the basic platform so that you can enhance your skill. Next, you need to start commenting on the post of the niche accounts. This will help you to understand what is the content is about. First, you need to read the content, then you need to comment, because this is the most crucial step. Many would just skip the reading part and would just do the writing part. No, you need to read the content so that you understand what's the thing is about. For example, AI agents. So how many types of AI agents are there? So what are the differentiation between them? So these are the things you will be able to learn when you read it thoroughly. Then if you comment your perspective on the LinkedIn comments, then what will happen is that many of the LinkedIn like-minded people will follow you, and in this way you will have your own LinkedIn community building. Then you have to go to the level 2, which is creating your own post. I'm not telling you to go to the chat GPT and just immediately browse full of the content, ready-made templates. No, you need to make each and every post of yours like an art. Like, this is the thing we should be able to define yourself, what all you want to give to the audience, what all you have learned. Now you're giving back to the audience in such a way that it's very consumable, it's very easy to know. So the thing is, you also need sometimes, after this the second stage of it, you have to go to the level 3, which is building something. Now in here you have to make something. Like, if you are learning AI, then you have to learn something about AI products. So how the AI products are made, how you can actually use the AI tools to build something. So in this way, now in the third stage, you will be making something, creating something, building something, so that you will be showing it to the world. In the fourth stage, what you will do is, you if you're searching for a job or an internship, then automatically, sometimes before the stage comes, you will get all of the leads and invites and collaborations to come to the respective company because of your past performances. For example, you have been working, so all this three stages would at least take 3 months to complete if you do it properly. At the end of the third month, what will happen is, many of the agencies, brands, or companies will start reaching out to you, and you will be the one deciding which to choose and what not to choose. So this is the power of creating something and building something of your own. Building something is so crucial in 2026. I can't even elaborate enough, because when you have your online portfolio, you have the power to choose what to do and what not to do. These are the things which are not told enough, but here I am telling you all because I want you to succeed. Like, this is not a rat race, this is the way to create your own perspectives. If you like this channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also comment what part of the video you like, and will you follow it throughout the next 3 months and make your LinkedIn profile a super duper hit.